Welcome to this episode of our 3-Minute Investment. We help you easily understand the financial reports of popular companies. Today we are breaking down NVIDIA, not just as a trending stock, but as the company building the physical foundation of the intelligence age. Let's look at the financial reality behind the hype. The investment thesis rests on a single problem. Moore's law is stalling. Traditional computers aren't getting faster quickly enough. NVIDIA's solution is accelerated computing, using specialized GPUs to compress processing time and energy costs, effectively acting as a time machine for data. The financial results of this shift are historic. Revenue hit $130.5 billion in fiscal 2025, growing 114% in a single year. This is unprecedented for a company of this size. It isn't just growth, it is an industrial revolution visible on a balance sheet. Visualizing the trend, you can see the inflection point. For years, NVIDIA was a gaming company. Then came 2024. The data center business has completely swallowed the rest of the company, driving that massive vertical leap you see on the right side of the chart. But the real magic is operating leverage. NVIDIA's costs to design chips are relatively fixed, but their sales exploded. This means profit grew 5 times faster than revenue, expanding their gross margins to an incredible 75%. Powering this dominance is Blackwell, their latest architecture. It pushes physics to the limit by stitching 2 massive silicon dies together to act as one. The result is a chip that runs AI inference, the actual thinking part of AI, up to 30 times faster than the previous generation. Investors often ask, can't someone else just build a chip? They can, but they can't easily replicate CUDA. This software platform is like a railway gauge. Once the tracks are laid, everyone builds trains to fit them. With 4 million developers locked in, switching costs are astronomical. NVIDIA is no longer just selling a component. They are selling the whole AI factory. By bundling their GPUs with their own proprietary networking and systems, they create a seamless, integrated environment that is incredibly difficult for competitors to penetrate. However, the financial statements reveal a critical fragility: concentration risk. Just 4 customers account for 61% of NVIDIA's revenue. If Microsoft or Amazon decides to pause spending for even 1 quarter, NVIDIA's growth story could face a violent shock. The competitive landscape is shifting. While AMD offers cheaper alternatives, the real threat comes from NVIDIA's own customers, like Google and Amazon, designing their own internal chips to reduce costs. Simultaneously, export controls are effectively cutting NVIDIA out of the Chinese market. To pivot away from that concentration, NVIDIA is cultivating a new customer base: nations. This is sovereign AI. Governments worldwide are now buying billions in hardware to ensure their, quote, digital independence, creating a new floor for demand. Looking further into the future, the next frontier is physical AI. With Project GR00T, NVIDIA is building the foundational brains for humanoid robots, aiming to do for the physical labor market what they have already done for digital information. In summary, the verdict is strong. With the Blackwell architecture, NVIDIA holds a 12 to 24-month technical lead and sits on a fortress of $77 billion in free cash flow. While the concentration risks are real, they remain the undisputed architect of this era. Thank you for watching. Let us know what companies you want to know more about in the comment below. Please subscribe for more financial analysis to rocket your investment.